internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the October unboxing video for Inku. I know, I feel like I only just unboxed the September one, but this came pretty much right after. Okay, let's just get right into it. So I'm assuming October is going to be Halloween, because that's what October is usually about for most things now. And there's a lot of cool items, so let's just get right into the unboxing. I'm going to pull this one out because it seems to be at the bottom. And this, oh, it's from Kiki's delivery service. Oh, I love Kiki. So yeah, it's an A4 folder, a little bent, but you can usually straighten that out. And okay, there's the paper here just to keep it. Yeah, simple folder. These are really good for carrying large documents. Okay, what else is this? Oh, it's like a little discount thing. I'll put that aside. And then a stack of pencils. It's like Halloween pencils. I probably won't open these because I'm not going to be using them, but these are very cute. These would be so nice in a Halloween gift bag or like a party or something, which it's kind of sad that we won't have one this year because of lockdown, but it is what it is. So this is a little drink bottle, and I think it's actually glue, so it's like cola. Let's have a look. I'm pretty sure this is glue from what I'm looking at. Let's see. Oh, no, I'm completely wrong. It's whiteout tape. Wow, this is so odd. I would have never expected that. Whoops. I thought it was glue because I just assumed with the bottle and the shape, but no, you just pull this off and it's whiteout tape. Oh, that's so fun. And then we have some Novelty erasers, but they all look like in the shape of different types of candy that you'd normally see in the shops. I wonder if they smell. I wonder if they might have a scent to them. I can't tell if they have a smell or whether I'm just imagining it. I feel like there is, and they all have kind of different scents. But, so you've got these two. I kind of think of them in how functional they're going to be. These ones will be quite functional. These ones are still like in little packets. I don't know if I'll open all of them. Let's just open this one and see what the eraser looks like on the inside. Ah, okay. Actually, this will be functional. It's really just a standard rectangle eraser. So even though these look really novelty, and I generally don't like using novelty erasers because they're so cute, these are pretty plain. It's more just the packaging around them. Yeah, it's just a rectangle one in here too, a green one. So these actually can be used, which I'm actually glad for because I really love being able to use the things I get. So this is a black post-it note, so you can use a white pen on this. It's like a little heart with a ring around it. And then we get some Ziploc bags. Oh, they're so small. 8 different Ziploc bags, My Melody style. These might be really good for carrying like Q-tips or small items. I usually like to use these when I'm traveling and I have little items that I don't want to get muddled up with everything else in my luggage, and I just use these. Very cute. They feel pretty sturdy. Maybe I should actually open it, shouldn't I? Actually, pretty good. Yeah. Ugh. There you go. And then we have a letter set. Oh, Kurumi. I love all the Sanrio stuff. Actually, I'm not going to open this one because I know what's going to happen. It'll get messy. But you can kind of see, like with all letter sets, you have the envelope, you have the paper here, which you can see what it's like at the back, and then the sticker that helps seal the envelope when you're done writing in it. And then we have a ruler. The Slim 17. I don't know why. I feel like I just recently unboxed another ruler. I think it was in Zenpop. And I liked that because it was so thin. But it was also longer, because you can see this is the ruler that I pretty much use for everything. And I like this one. It's a little longer, but it's slimmer as well. So I feel like it'd be easy to use. So I don't know if I'll swap them out. But yes. Yeah, and that is everything that came in the October Inku box. I don't think there's any pens to try, so that's... Oh, just as I say that, I'm like, I better reach in and just make sure. There is one pen to try. It's a Zebra Sarasa clip, so let's give this one a shot. Okay, so I actually don't have anything like this. I have so many Zebra Sarasa pens, but none that look like this. I think this is supposed to be a glitter pen. Right, so ink. Okay, so it's purple. It's supposed to be glittery, so maybe if I color a little bit, we can see. It feels metallic. Don't know about glittery. See if it. No, can you guys see? It feels metallic to me. There we go. The light catching it. It doesn't feel glittery. It says it's a glitter pen, but I don't really notice the glitter. It's a nice pen though. And yeah, if you guys are familiar with any of my videos, you know that Zebra Sarasa is like one of my favorite gel pens. And yes, so that is now everything in the Inku October box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to the internet.